Consider the following statements. Binomial distribution with mean A and variance B is such that a square minus a minus b whole square is an integer. So a binomial distribution has mean A and variance B. So if x follows binomial n comma p, we have mu is like np, which is A, and sigma square is npq, which is nothing but b. So q is nothing but 1 minus p. So a minus b is nothing but np minus npq, which is np square. So a square by a minus b whole square is np whole square by np square whole square, which is 1 by p square. So now like a is nothing but np and b is npq. So that means b by a is q. So p is nothing but 1 minus b by a, which is a minus b by a. So this need not be integer in general. So therefore like statement 1 is false. Statement 2 says mean is 3.5, variance is 1.75 is bimodal. So for that, like if we take, so np is given as like 3.5 and npq is given as 1.75. So that means q is nothing but 0.5, which means p is also 0.5. So n is 3.5 by 0.5, which is 7. So that means x follows binomial distribution with mean 7 and variance 0.5. So for a binomial distribution, if n plus 1, so we know that for binomial distribution, suppose if n plus 1 times p is an integer, so there are two modes. So there will be n plus 1 p and n plus 1 into p minus 1. So here if you take like n plus 1 into p, so in our case n plus 1 into p is nothing but 8 into 0.